The Lion Gun tool is supplied with a rechargeable 18-volt lithium-ion battery. Press the test button on the side of the battery and check the LED indicator for the remaining charge. Before charging, verify the supply voltage to ensure charger capability. This will typically be 110 or 220 volts AC. Connect the power cord to a grounded outlet. It may be necessary to connect international plug adapters for compatibility with local power outlets. Insert the battery by sliding it onto the charger until it locks into place. The green indicator will flash during charging and stop flashing when the battery is fully charged. Remove the battery by pressing the release button and sliding it off the cradle. Slide the battery onto the bottom of the tool until it firmly latches into place. Once fully charged, the Lion Gun tool will provide long run time on even the toughest applications.